Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more TikTok DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Now this first one is a really cool idea for a candle holder. Never seen anything like that with the little wooden pieces. I think that is so cute. And then we have another candle holder. I think that this is a really unique statement piece. I love the way that that came out. And then we move into the next one. This one also involves some clay. So many different projects that you can create by using clay. This kind of looks like a little shell to me. So she ended up using this as a candle holder as well. I love that idea. Definitely something unique. And then we have this statement artwork piece. So she uses a bag to create a design here. This is such an innovative idea. I love this. Very clever and cool technique. They look like little flowers or fireworks. So cool. And then we have an IKEA upgrade. So I love the IKEA furniture flips. They are just so amazing to watch. She did a nice little table there. Oh, that's always a good idea. Have your kid help out, earn their keep. And she made a nice little entryway decor piece. It's decorative and functional. So for the next one, it also involves some clay. We added some leaves here. Oh, they actually painted them green. I thought they were gonna do like an ivory piece. Oh, wow. A photo frame. Oh, that is beautiful. And then here we have a lamp DIY. I just added some twine to the lampshade, made it a little bit more interesting. We have some planters here being spray painted. Whenever I see the planters, I immediately think table, but it looks like they actually just glued them together to make a bigger plant stand. All right, so we got some more clay. So I'm gonna guess that she's probably making some type of bowl here. Yep. Oh, it's a candle holder. Oh, wow, that's a pretty crafty idea. I never would have thought of that. More clay. A lot of clay-based designs here. It looks like she's doing a mirror. Pastel trend with this yellow. Almost looks like a neon green, neon yellow. Oh, they made a tiered stand. Wow, that's pretty clever. And then we have another clay-based DIY. Oh, coasters maybe? Now I feel like this is too pretty to be a coaster. So we have more clay here. painting it black. Oh, I wonder if they're making like a lampshade. Whoa. Okay, that is a very interesting lamp. Very unique. Bit of a statement piece. And then we are at IKEA. Looks like they grabbed a bunch of mirrors here, added some fairy lights. Oh, this is so cute. And such an easy project too. I love that idea. Very pretty. Cute and functional. So we have some balloons here dipped in paint. Oh, they're doing like a tree. Oh, like a little, like, I don't know, is that supposed to be Easter? So we are back with the IKEA frames here. You can grab the dollar store frames too. You don't have to go to IKEA to do these, just FYI. And then these are definitely IKEA bread boxes. I've seen this hack so many times. And she added the legs there. Cute. And she left it the natural wood tone. She didn't even paint it or anything. That came out great. Alright, so here we have some ottomans. Some paint. So I'm guessing she's probably going to turn this into a side table. Yep. There you go. And then we have another IKEA DIY. Now we already know what this is going to be, the little mushroom lamp. Stone paint. These are like, I feel like this video was just viral TikTok DIYs. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out today's video with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.